building this Castico walk-in shower. This is the panels that we're going to be putting in, and they're smooth as glass. Real nice looking panels. They're about 54 to 57 pounds each. So they're going to be a challenge to get put in place. At least I think they will be. I've never done this before. And SEESII had contacted me about these suction cups. It's a great tool for a project like this. So they sponsored this video by sending these to me. And this will be the first time I've ever tried out anything like this. But I think if they're as easy to use as they seem to be, and they work as well as they claim, they're going to be a fantastic tool for this project. But it comes with 2 suction cups. These are the manual ones. Some of these are electric, but these are manual. Little instruction book. They got some extra seals that you can replace, and a little tool, I think, for replacing the seals. And a nice, decent carrying case so you can haul them from job to job. But the way they work is you've got this big circular plate that's made out of rubber, and then a little valve here. So you set that on your project or on your sheet. Heavy tiles, that sort of thing, help you with positioning and just make it a lot easier to handle. Some of them have a gauge on them. This particular set does not. But you set it on there, and then you pump this handle, and it'll suction itself to the material until that red line disappears. Push over here to release the pressure. So that's how it is when you first set it on. Just pump that a few times, and it's stuck on there. Now, if you have a porous material or it's not like glass smooth, they may not work, but they'll be great for windows, sliding glass doors, even sheet metal, whatever's got a nice smooth surface. And you can position that handle wherever you like in order to be able to use it. This is a release tab. Reposition it, put it, maybe you want the handle in this orientation. You can put it on there. And now you've got a carrying handle. So really cool. I'm excited to use them, and I'm hoping it's going to make this project a lot easier. So we've got to take these panels out of here. I'm hoping to get 1 or 2 of them installed today. So that's the plan for this project. Thank you to SEESII for sending these 8-inch vacuum suction cups. I think they're going to make a job like this well worth it. If you're interested in these suction cups, you maybe have a project of your own and you want to pick up a pair, I'll put a link in the description. It'll be one of my Amazon affiliate links. And if they happen to give me any coupon codes or anything, I'll include that down there as well. So I'm going to set these all up against the wall using these suction cup handles. And these are 54 pounds each. These back 2 are 54 and the sides are about 57 is what they're claiming on the specifications page. So let me put this up against the wall because this pattern matches and it runs from one panel to the next. So they have to be installed in the proper sequence or it's going to look terrible. A couple pumps just to make sure we've got good suction. Okay, that's the B panel. I gotta flip this one over. Don't get any dirt or dust on the surface of your suction cups. That'll mess up the seal. Whoa. Once you kind of get them under control, it's not bad. But they said if you pull too quick on it, you can break that seal. So there's the 2 back panels that go on the back wall, and then the outer edges will be cut to fit the space. And in this case, we're going to cut them just about a 1/4 inch short. So we have just a little bit of wiggle room, be able to set them in place without a lot of wrestling around with them. But the middle seam right here is what really matters. We've got a vertical line drawn on the wall, and we want to make sure we get them with a real good seam there because that's going to be visible and it'll have a bead of caulk all the way down it. That's good too. Okay. So those SEESII suction cups were real handy in getting those two back pieces placed. A super handy tool so you don't have to grab around the backside where you put all the adhesive, and it just makes it real easy. They're just super handy for a project like this, so I highly recommend them. So far so good. They've been working real well, but you do have to make sure you pay attention, keep them pumped, and don't hit the release button when you're hauling your, in this case, these shower panels. We're even able to use the suction cups to pull out a section that we cut out to install a niche into this new shower, and it did a great job, kept that from falling inside the wall where we couldn't get to it. And then as we go on with this project, I'm sure we'll use it to install the shower door or shower screen. And I've got a couple other projects in mind for these SEESII suction cups. So if you're interested in it, again, I'll link it in the description so you can check it out. They really made this job a lot easier than if we were trying to do it without them. Click the video on the screen now if you want to see some of the videos I made of this shower remodel into a walk-in shower, and we'll see you over there.